welcome back to Sapna News Time with Smriti Bhavania. The process of sending back Tablighi workers begins. The Tablighi Jamaat event that happened in Nizamuddin during the month of March and eventually led to spread of COVID-19 to a lot of people, the situation got so out of hand that Nizamuddin was declared a containment zone. The Tablighi Jamaat workers were charged for violating visa rules and since then have not been allowed to leave India. But according to the latest reports, the Home Ministry is in talks with foreign embassies in order to deport the foreign Tablighi Jamaat workers. A senior government officer told one of the leading newspapers of the country that most of the countries are requesting for their citizens to be sent back as most of them have completed their 3-month quarantine cycle and are no more of a threat to India. The Home Ministry says that the required action will be taken at the earliest and no one will be disappointed by the decision taken. On 28th March, the MHA wrote to states that around 2,000 Tablighi from Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand and other countries who entered India on tourist till June 2, a total of 2,594 Tablighi foreigners who had come for the event from January onwards were blacklisted from the entering India for 10 years under Category A of the Visa Manual 2018. The Ministry of Home Affairs filed the affidavit in Supreme Court that all of these foreign nationals have been served with a notice under Section 41A CRPC and all of them have given an undertaking that they would not violate the conditions and abide by the terms of the notice. Thank you.